My name is Matthew, I come from Poland. I graduated from Nicolaus Copernicus University from the Department of Conservation of Archaeological Artifacts. And this is my second time when I work here in Jerusalem. These days I preserve bronze bells. They come from 12th century and they were excavated in 1906 by Franciscan archaeologists near the Church of Nativity in Bethlehem.
And the seasons, they go round and round.
In 1863, while the kitchen at the Franciscan monastery was being restored, and then again in 1906, a number of bronze and silver objects from the Crusader era and belonging to the Church of the Nativity were discovered in the city where Jesus was born. This was later called the Bethlehem Treasure, and it includes these bells.
They are supposed to originate from Western Europe. Probably in the 16th century they were buried in order to protect them from the robbery. And now they are here in our museum.
Hidden with care, probably following Mohammed II's decree in 1452 forbidding Christians from using bells, today they can be seen at the Archaeological Museum of the Studium Biblicum Franciscanum, along with the other objects belonging to this treasure, such as the 200 organ pipes that were found along with the bells. The work of a young Polish restorer has helped to bring these objects back to the splendor they had when they were first sounded, in the way illustrated in this image.
The condition of those bells was very weak and bad. They were almost fully covered by products of corrosion of copper and its alloys. You could barely see ornaments and the original shape of the bells. So I removed so-called wild patina, and then I protected bells with proper chemical treatment to protect them against air pollution, bad influence of environment.
And the seasons, they go round and round, and the painted ponies go up and down.
These objects have great value because of their testimony to the life and history of the Church in the Holy Land, and they are part of the story that goes back through the centuries, which will be exhibited with the Bethlehem bells in the Terra Sancta Museum, the museum of Christian origins promoted by the Custody of the Holy Land. Presented just a few days ago in Milan, the project plans on opening its 3 new exhibition areas on 2 different sites by 2015.
We can't return, we can only look behind from where